This is exercise 14.1, question number 5. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Now look at the table here. In the first column they have given number of mangoes, and in the second column number of boxes. It means that 50 to 52 mangoes are there in 15 boxes. Correct? Right. Now what they are saying? One more thing. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. That means we need to find out mean. Which method of finding the mean did you use? That also they are asking us. Now just look at the first column here. If I will find out the average of the class, or you can say class mark, it comes as 51. Then 51 into 15, again a big number here, and then the addition of all the numbers in the direct method. So that calculation will be little tedious. So what I will do here, for this information I will use the step deviation method. Okay, now let us see the answer here. For the step deviation method, look at the table. First column, second column same. In the third column, class mark is there. In the fourth column, you need to find out ui, which is equal to xi minus a by h. I will explain you what is this. And then finally, fi into ui. Right? First, we'll find out the class mark. Class mark, it means that average of a class. Right? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 50 plus 52 by 2, if we'll do, we get the answer as 51. Somewhere the middlemost value. Okay. Now for the second one, 54, then 57 here, then 50, then here 60. This one is 60 and this one is 63. Now from this xi, we need to choose the assumed mean, which one is somewhere in the middle. So this value we will call it as the assumed mean. So A, which is equal to 57, right? H, it means that the class size. For the class size, remember, always class intervals supposed to be continuous. If they are not continuous, you have to make them continuous. Then only you will be able to find out the class size. Now see here, in this case, this 52 and 53, they are not the same number. That means class intervals are discontinuous. So what is the difference between 52 and 53? 1 is the difference. So make the half of that. So which comes as 0.5. So from every lower limit, you will reduce 0.5, and in every upper limit, you will add 0.5. Right? So your class intervals become continuous. This one you have learnt in class 9th. Okay? But it's okay, even if you forgot. I'm telling you now. So if I reduce 0.5 from the lower limit of the first class, so it will become what? This one 49.5 is the lower limit, and the upper limit will become what? 52.5. Right? This is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. This is called as true upper limit, this is called as true lower limit. Now if I find out the difference between these two, I get 3. So the size of the class is 3. Correct? This you have to keep in mind. Right? Now we'll find out ui. Ui, that means xi minus a. This is xi, 51 minus 57, which comes as minus 6. Minus 6 divided by h. H is what? 3. Minus 6 by 3 comes as minus 2. Right? Look at this one here. I'll show you here. 51 minus 57 divided by here 3. So which comes as minus 6 by 3. Our answer comes as minus 2. Correct? Now here for the second one, 54 minus 57. 54 minus 57 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Then 57 minus 57 is 0 only. So here 1, here 2. Use the logic. Correct. Now what I need to do? I need to multiply Fi and Ui, which comes as here minus 30. 110 into minus 1. So minus 110. This one will come 0 only. So 115 into 1. 25 into 2 is 50. Correct? Now you see here, the addition of these two numbers is minus 140 and addition of this number is plus 165. So if you do the addition, we get the answer as here 25. So sum of the last column is 25. And here sum of Fi, right? Number of boxes. So here addition of this column, second column is 400. Okay. Now we will use the formula for step deviation method. So formula is x bar, which is equal to a plus sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi into h. This formula you have to remember. Okay, no other option. So we'll substitute the value. A is what? 57 plus sigma Fi Ui. It means that this value 25. So this is 25 here. This one is 400 here into h means 3. Okay, now see here. I'll write down here 57 as it is plus 25 ones are here, then 15, that means 150, 25 6 are. So here 3 by 16. Okay. Now I will not do LCM. If you will do the LCM, na, calculation becomes little lengthy. So 3 by 16 only I will do here. See, 3 by 16, 0 point, this one, 16 ones are 16. So it is 10 minus 6 is 4 and here 1. This 0 is given here. So 16 8s are 128. So here this one is left. The 0 here. 16 7s are 112. Right? I will just go till 2 decimal places. Okay. But still we have done till 3. So I'll write down here 0.187. Finally I will write here 57.187. This last digit is more than 5. So I can increase the previous digit by 1. So 57.19. You can write down approximately. Right? Approximately. Therefore, mean is 57.19. I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.